Hi, Mateo. You are a little late today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I am okay. Sorry.
You look a little sad. What's wrong?
This morning, I went to the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I tried to order coffee. I spoke English,
That is good practice.
but the man speaks so fast. I don't understand.
I know. Many people speak fast here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly. The people in line, they laughed at me.
Oh, Mateo, I am very sorry.
I feel very bad. I feel shy. Maybe my English is not good.
Your English is good, Mateo. You are learning.
But I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We can use simple words.
Okay.
Let's talk about your day. This is good practice. What do you do every morning?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. What is next?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. See, you are speaking perfect English.
This is easy.
Yes, simple is good. Let's try one more. What about your sister? What does she do?
She go to school?
Very close. Remember, for he or she, we add S.
Oh, yes. She goes to school.
You got it. That is exactly right.
I go. She goes.
Yes, learning is step by step. You are doing great.
Step by step. Okay.
Don't think about the people in the coffee shop. Just keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel better now. I will practice every day.
Hi, Carlos. You are very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hello, Emma. I am okay. Just tired.
Are you sure? You look a little sad. We're on break. You can tell me.
Well, this morning, a customer asked me something. I tried to answer in English, but I made a mistake.
What happened?
He asked about our manager, Miss Rivera. I said, "She live downtown." The customer smiled and said, "She lives."
Oh, I understand. That's a tiny slip.
I feel stupid. I always forget the S. People laugh.
You are not stupid, Carlos. That's a super common mistake.
But I feel nervous now. I don't want to talk.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need practice. Let's practice right now. It's easy.
Okay.
We use the simple present for habits, right? For example, I work here, you work here.
I work. You work.
Good. But for he or she, we add S. So, Miss Rivera, she...
She works here.
Perfect. See? You know it.
And my coworker, Luis. He works here too.
You got it. Let's try another. I drink coffee at 10 a.m.
I drink coffee at 10 a.m. too.
What about Ms. Rivera?
She drinks coffee at 10 a.m.
Exactly! You're doing great.
It's easy when I speak slowly.
That's the secret. Take your time. You don't need to rush.
Thank you, Emma. I feel better.
Good. Practice makes perfect. Let's head back to work.
Excuse me, you look a little confused. Can I help you find something?
Oh, yes. Please, I'm searching for...
No rush at all. Take your time. I'm Alex, one of the volunteers here.
I'm Sophia. Sorry, my English is still new.
Your English is perfectly clear. I understand you just fine. What are you looking for today?
I get so nervous. When I speak, people sometimes don't understand.
I totally get it. Lots of people feel exactly the same way. It's okay.
I keep making mistakes.
Mistakes are how we improve. They're part of the journey.
I want an English book. Easy one. For beginners.
Perfect. We have tons of simple English books. Come with me, this way. These are beginner-friendly. Big letters, pictures, easy words.
Oh, thank you so much.
See? You asked clearly, and I understood every word.
I spoke slowly.
Exactly. Slow and clear wins every time. No need to rush.
Slow and clear.
You're already doing awesome. Learning happens one step at a time.
One step at a time. Yes.
Want to borrow this one today?
Yes, please. Thank you, Alex.
You're so welcome, Sophia. Come back anytime. Keep practicing. You've got this.
Hi, welcome to the information desk. How can I help you?
Hello? I think I lose my bag. I arrived 1 hour ago and nothing.
Don't worry, this happens a lot. So you lost your bag, right?
Yes, I lost my bag. Sorry, my English is bad.
No, your English is good. I understood everything. What does your bag look like?
It's blue and it have my name on the handle, Carla.
Blue bag with the name Carla on the handle. Got it. Just a tiny thing for next time. We say it has because it's he, she, it. But honestly, I knew exactly what you meant. No problem at all.
Thank you. I always forget the S at the beginning.
Everyone forgets the S at the beginning. You're tired from the flight and still speaking English? That's amazing. Let's fill this form together. Flight from Sao Paulo?
Yes. How you know?
Lucky guess. We'll check the lost luggage room right now. Carla, blue bag with your name.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you.
See? You spoke. I understood. Bag is back. English worked perfectly today. Next time, just I lost and it has, and you're already perfect.
I will remember. Thank you, Noah. Really.
You're very welcome. Safe travels and keep speaking. You're doing great. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I need a new phone. My old one is broken.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I dropped it in water. It won't turn on now.
That happens a lot. Don't worry, we have many good phones here.
Thank you. I want something simple, not too expensive.
I understand. What do you use your phone for? Calls, texts, photos?
Mostly calls and texts. Sometimes I take photos of my family.
Okay. This model is perfect for that. It's reliable and has a good camera.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's on sale for $200, normally $250.
That's a good deal. Is it easy to use?
Yes, very user-friendly. It's a piece of cake to set up.
Great. Does it come with a charger?
Yes, and a case too. Do you want to see the colors?
Sure. I like this blue one.
Blue is popular. Let me check if we have it in stock.
Thank you for checking.
Good news! We have one. Would you like to buy it now?
Yes, please. I pay with card.
No problem. I'll ring it up for you.
Thank you so much for your help. You're very kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new phone. Have a great day.
You too.